I'm asking you, please have mercy. Give me a chance.
Hamilton County Municipal Court Judge Fanon Rucker has a strong courtroom presence.
I can't handle the idea that my child is going to look at me in 10 years, in 15 years, or 20 years, if I'm still around, and say, what happened to the father that I was supposed to have?
In this case, Rucker was sentencing Charles Dove. Dove's 9-year-old daughter described him overdosing in a haunting 911 call.
Yeah, they're both breathing.
Okay. But you're unable to wake them up?
No, I tried, and they won't wake up.
Rucker's passionate straight talk caught national attention.
Fanon Rucker was not buying Charles Dove's begging and pleading.
The man behind the bench has a quirky approach to justice that tends to intrigue people.
I love hip hop. I'm a hip hop encyclopedia, hip hop head. And it started off, I'm outspoken. My language is broken into a slang, but it's just a dialect that I select when I play it cool.
Rucker is known for connecting in a passionate way with those he encounters, no matter where he is.
I have had people say, thanks for sending me to jail. You know, I needed that, which is kind of surprising when I'm out of the club and I see somebody and they say, thanks for sending me to jail. But I do appreciate the fact, well, I think people appreciate the fact that it's nothing that they experience with me is being done out of spite.
His wife, Shantae Mallory Rucker, says he always marches to his own beat.
On any given day, I could be cleaning or just sitting in the house, and he will come out with his cloak on and that beam, I don't even know, lightsaber.
I'm not gonna say nerd, I'll say fanaticism.
Those who know him best say Rucker's flair for creative justice comes honestly. His father was the first African-American in the Court of Appeals in Indiana. He went on to serve one of the longest tenures on Indiana's Supreme Court.
Somebody asked me one time, you know, how are you gonna fill your father's shoes? I said, well, no, so daddy's size is bigger than mine, and I'm in Ohio because I'm not trying to fill his shoes. That's his walk. I'm on a different walk, but in parallel.
Rucker's parallel path has led him from teaching at UC's law school to mentoring around the city.
I just want to be known as somebody who people can count on.
Judge Rucker says he's living by the ideal that we should be the change we want to see.
Somebody that's going to be fair and provide opportunities. I'm not talking about in the court, I'm talking about generally in life.
He's doing it one interaction at a time. Alexis Rogers, WLWT, News 5.
Yeah, talk about making a difference there. By the way, Judge Rucker says he'll continue to mentor and teach as many people as he can.